So today I have my guinea pig here, Zeb, and we are going to be working on trying out stuff for the FabFitFun box. I thought it'd be fun not only to show you what came in my box, but to try everything out with Zeb.
Yes. It's going to be like playing dress up with Eliza all over again.
Zeb has been my guinea pig for like 20 years. When we were dating, he used to let me paint his toenails and use pore strips. I think I even waxed your back once.
Yeah, that happened. That's a thing. I cried.
Didn't have
Never again. Never again.
So this is their spring box. The theme is metamorphosis. So there's lots of things in here that will help you turn into a pretty butterfly.
Oh, well, that's what I need. You know.
FabFitFun is available in the US, Canada, and UK, and they're super awesome because each season that they have new boxes coming out, they donate to charities and they support female-founded companies. You get to customize your box. So some of the stuff I picked out, some of the stuff they send to you. The box is $49.99 and comes with over $200 worth of product. And if you use the code JamieRay, you get 10 bucks off your first box. All right, so first thing that I'm going to bring out here is this brush. I actually picked this because the kids always steal my brushes.
Well, Eliza, really.
Yeah, it seems to be pretty well made. I actually have no makeup on and my hair's not done. So
it's the Aria beauty.
Yeah.
I think that's how you'd say that. Oh, it comes with style tips.
It says it creates a smooth, straight styles and softness. I feel like that's something
for detangling, hold brush vertically.
All right, Zeb doesn't have any hair on his head, so
brush my arms. Brush my arm hair.
Speaking of
Let me
hair.
see. Can it work like a massage? Oh yeah. Oh, that's good.
Sometimes I think shaving my head might be a good option. All right.
I keep trying to get you on board with that. You know, just wear hats.
You would like it. So the next thing we have is the AG Fast Food here. It's leave-on conditioner. It feeds, smooths, and calms frizzy, coarse hair. I do have frizzy, coarse hair. Apply a quarter-sized amount on clean, damp hair. Is my hair damp enough, or should I get it wet?
It looks clean and it looks damp.
Okay. All right. Quarter-sized amount. I feel like that's...
Quarter, is it sealed on the top?
Oh, it's sealed. Can you help me?
All right. We're opened up. We are the first to use this. It's confirmed. Came with a safety seal.
You gotta be safe when you're moisturizing your...
A quarter size?
That's a lot.
It says a quarter, so I'm assuming like a quarter.
I feel like...
Well, you have a lot of hair. Use that.
That's...
Oh, poor Aria. They're pretty packaging.
I don't know. I always
So you do that after the shower?
Yeah, it's leave-in conditioner.
All right.
That's what it says. I'll blow dry my hair so you guys
it says a quarter-sized amount. That was totally a quarter size.
I feel like that was a $50 size.
No way. Quarters are big.
See, it smells good.
I don't think
does it smell
you're
like?
gonna be greasy.
Smells good?
It smells like I'm in like a flower garden.
Okay, all right. Hair is brushed through. Next item on here. I'm actually excited because I don't normally buy jewelry for myself and the girls steal it anytime I get something nice, so maybe I'll have this for a little bit.
It's like Harrington steals my shoes. The girls steal your necklaces.
Well,
this is a complicated
it's your
one.
fault for having the same size foot as him.
No, he has the same size foot as me. My foot was first. All right, let's see.
You're choking me.
The small one is a little choky. It's tight.
No, there's plenty of room.
Oh, there
you were
you
just
go.
pulling it tight. Okay, what do you think?
Yeah,
It's good. All right. Next item in the, this will be fun. The Wander Beauty Mascara. So I can't wear this.
Jimmy has fake eyelashes, so guess what? Guess what?
I feel like this requires zooming in. It's the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Comes in a nice gold tube. I have a feeling that Odelia will wind up stealing this. Have you ever worn mascara before, Zeb?
Never in my life. I have an aversion to things touching my eyes. You know that little air puff test that they do on your eyes? I'm like Rachel from Friends. I almost can't let them do it. Like, don't touch my eyes.
But Eliza has put makeup on you before.
So Eliza and I did some play makeup back in the day. She got in trouble for putting makeup on her new American Girl doll that she had for Christmas.
I don't know if you can talk while I'm doing this.
And Redrick, oh man, Redrick, after the great Spider-Man face painting debacle. Oh, stop. Anyway, Redrick wouldn't let her do anything with his face anymore.
I won't do your bottom ones because I. All right, now. Oh, hold on, I got it underneath.
It feels.
You look like your mom.
Is it in my eye?
No.
It feels like it's in my eye.
Stop. I wanted to show them the difference. You look so... Gosh.
Look at me in the eyes.
I can't believe you look just like your mom. I want to show them up close.
How can you not blink when you do that? I thought I was going to die.
So when I put it on, I stick my tongue out.
Really? Well, I was talking while you did it. I mean, I didn't even get a chance to finish my story about Eliza doing makeup on me because she was getting in trouble for putting the makeup on her American Girl dolls because it was staining the plastic. So she practiced on me, and Redrick wouldn't let her anymore because of the Spider-Man incident. So I was her guinea pig. I was like, Eliza, why don't you put the makeup on yourself and practice? She's like, I'm not allowed to. I have to do it on you. She's not allowed to wear the makeup, but the dolls and Dad could.
You're a good sport. Especially now. All right, now get up close and show them one coat of mascara with and without. So I feel like this mascara is pretty good. Just don't blink.
So my mom's very pretty, so I'm winning, right?
Yeah, I think you might have longer eyelashes than her.
I have some rockin' eyelashes. They keep a lot of things out of my eyes, like dust and dirt and sawdust.
All right, so the Wander Mile High Club is good.
We're only doing one eye, huh? Good.
I wanted to show them the comparison. Did you want me to do the other eye?
No, please no. I could only do one eye at a time.
Does it feel clumpy now, or do you feel okay?
No, it was just wet, and I wasn't used to having wet things on my eyelashes. Like, I could sense the wetness. I was over here. The blinking is bad. Like, I could feel it touch my lower eyelash and kind of stick a little.
Now you know why I go get my eyelashes done, because I had to do that every day.
You don't have to do this.
All right, well, we'll give that to Odelia. Next is the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion.
Oh, that's gonna help with my laughter lines, right?
Yeah, this is why I have no makeup on, because I wanted to put it on. So it says AM and PM massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest. Fast acting treatment with a
chest. Oh, for like the wrinkles, because you get the scoop neck.
You get those cleavage wrinkles as you hit middle age. That's what this does.
I'm
but
experiencing
we're not going to put
bit.
that on there. It says reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 2 hours.
It says we ignite your skin with the most beautiful potential.
I have no moisturizer
So
on
I
my
noticed
face.
you put everything in your palm. Like, why don't you put things on your fingertips so you don't have to like touch it with the other hand?
I don't know. How much does it say how much we're supposed to do?
Not a quarter size.
Skin wellness through hydration.
It doesn't say, just put some on the finger.
I have no moisturizer or eye cream or anything on right now. You guys are seeing me completely makeup free. Zep's not makeup free, but...
It probably looks pretty funky with the one eye.
I could do your other eye.
No, I'll go wash this off in a minute.
There must be some sort of essential... You gotta use it too.
Oh.
There must be some sort of essential oils in it.
But, I'm gonna put it right here.
All right,
I don't know where else I'm getting wrinkles other than by my eyes, and I don't want to wipe this by my eye.
Just put it all over your whole face and your neck. And you're gonna get a more youthful appearance.
Am I? What else is in this box?
All right, well, we'll go to this one next. This is the Winkie Luxe Rainbow Balm.
Is that for lips?
Yes. pH matching technology, universally flattering cherry pink shade. Can be used on lips and cheeks. Nourishes lips, pineapple flavor.
Pineapple. That's the winning combination there. I love pineapple.
I have a feeling that once my daughters get a hold of this, I'm never going to see it
comes
again.
in a cool little capsule.
My hands are all slick.
There you go. You got it. Oh, and it's a fun color too. Show them the color.
Yeah, it's like rainbow. So I don't know how it has all these colors and it turns your lips pink, but supposedly it does here.
No.
Me first?
No, you only.
Why?
Because...
Yeah.
My lips are well moisturized. Yeah, I did.
I just want to see what it does to your lips. Will it be the same shade? Don't do your whole mustache. You're not supposed to put it all over.
That's how you do it. So you get the moisture all around. The wrinkles are from this. So you got to get it way up in there.
If you could see yourself right now, you look awesome.
Did it get pink? Here, put the cap back on quick. We got to get that thing away.
I feel like you need to go wipe that off. That's not
I
the
need a
intent.
napkin to like...
You need like a washcloth.
Wait, it's gonna get moisturized in. I used to get real chappy cheeks, and I would use the chapstick on my cheeks.
Don't put this on your cheeks the way you just applied that. I don't feel like that's safe for you. All right, so.
Oh, it's really pink.
I told you.
I gotta get
You look like a clown. No,
you let me wipe that all around.
It works with the natural pH of your lips. It's a matching technology.
Well, I'm feeling moisturized and pink.
Pink. All right, next. This is the Revive Light Therapy Wrinkle Treatment.
Is that a light?
Yeah. This is all the kind of stuff that I want to try, but I'm too cheap to spend money on. So it's kind of nice that, you know, for $50, you get like
it comes with batteries.
Yeah. Can you assemble that while I read the directions?
Yeah.
Our lights tackle fine lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness, elasticity, skin dullness, and uneven skin tone, which is good because you don't have it so much, but I'm like really red through here. That's why I usually wear makeup. I have uneven skin tone. Turn on device.
It's on.
And hold the on off for 1 second. Place device directly on the skin over the desired treatment area for 3 minutes. Do not move or wave device across the treatment area.
Oh, so you just hold it like this?
For 3 minutes.
It's a long time.
Well,
this reminds me of when I put like a flashlight in my mouth to make my cheeks glow red. Does it do that?
No. It says after the light turns off, the device will automatically shut off after 3 minutes. Move the device to the next treatment area and repeat step 4. Use device daily for best results. Do not exceed 3 treatments per day.
So I guess I would need to have like a show queued up and ready.
This is the last item. I picked mostly like beauty products. So
yeah. No fuzzy slippers this time.
Yeah, no.
It's getting warm. Did it say it's supposed to get warm? Probably from the lights.
And then last time I got a blanket and my kid stole it. So this is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. You're supposed to use that nightly after bathing and before bedtime. So I might need a nap after this. Well, the cool thing is if you get to pick out a lot of stuff. Has it been
3 minutes?
No, I don't feel like it's been 3 minutes.
That does smell really good.
Yeah, and it doesn't feel like thick. You know, sometimes you put on nighttime lotion and it's like, you feel like you're wearing a layer of
it's like you need
Vaseline.
To get gloves on because it just won't rub in and you're going to get it all over the sheets.
This is good. I have really dry feet, so I probably should use this every night. But think of all the money you save because I go to the beauty place, Elace, and I get all the beauty stuff done, the special lights and things. So if you can do it at home, then I guess it just saves money in the long run.
Yeah.
I do have to say that mascara really does look good and it's not clumpy, which I like because sometimes you put on mascara. All right, pull that off your face.
I'm worried, but what if it's like really red and bright under there? Because this thing is bright. Oh, it turned off. That means my 3 minutes is up.
Let me see, does it look better? I feel like legit there's less wrinkles on that side now. You should go look in the mirror.
I will in a minute.
All right, we're going to use these products all week long.
Except for the mascara.
Except for the mascara and the lipstick on Zeb. And then on Saturday, when we do
I literally thought that was just lip balm and it was going to go on clear. And then here I am over here, I'm like...
On Saturday...
You let that happen. You watched me do that.
I knew you were going to do it because that's the way you put chapstick on, the same way. All right, let me... On Saturday, after we use the products all week, we'll let you know how much we like them and if we would recommend them. But for sure, I would recommend getting this box because it's fun. So today we had over a $200 value spa treatment. How do you feel?
The smelly stuff is the best.
If you guys want a similar treatment, make sure you're signing up for FabFitFun. We'll drop the link below. Use code JamieRay to save $10 off your first box.
Yeah.
And when you are signed up to get the FabFitFun box, you get it first before everybody else. Make sure you guys are hitting up JamieRayVintage.com for all your DIY needs. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jamie Ray Vintage for more
DIY
and spa days once a quarter.
You could like brush your hair, check it. Oh my goodness, I can see that eye.
Go get that off.